23rd April, Feast Day of St. George.
Yeah.
As per forecast, 78 the highest, 55 the lowest, 0% precipitation. They said 10 miles per hour wind, 17% humidity, and the air quality is 44%. But earlier, we noticed that the wind is blowing like 20 miles per hour. At this time, not too much wind. Thank God. We're out and about.